My name is Miki. I live in Ethiopia. I'm Ethiopia. I'm a student. As Ethiopian students, especially countryside students or area of has no peace students, we have in the good schools. For example, this school is already stopped learning. This school is in Ethiopia. This means many Ethiopian students stop learning. And we are going to jobless. And we are going to using bad drugs. Trust me, I don't talk false. This is true. Don't document of media. So what I do? What is my option? Tell me on comment. And share this video for other person. And tell me what I do, please, what I do. Tell me on comment. And you, please brother, please sister, for 1 second, touch subscribe button. And tell me what I do. What I do. Tell me on comment. እስቲ አሁን ምን ይሻለኛል? ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ መኖሩ በቃ ምር አለኝ። ወዛ ላይ ትምህርቴን አጥቻለሁ። በቃ አሁን ትምህርት ላይ የለም፣ ስራ ላይ የለም። ምን ይሻለኛል? እስቲ ንገሩን፣ በእናታችሁ ንገሩኝ። ደግሞ ዩቲዩብን ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉልኝ በእናታችሁ። እቺም ሰርቼ ልኑር በእናታችሁ ልኑር። በቃ ለዛሬ ቪዲዮ ቻው። Thanks for watching my video.